Welcome to our comparison of two power supply units that cater to different needs in the PC building community. On one side, we have the Segotep GN-650, boasting a robust 650 watts of power with an impressive 80 PLS Gold certification, ideal for gamers and high-performance builds. On the other hand, we have the MSI MAG A550BN, a compact and budget-friendly 550-watt power supply with an 80 PLS bronze rating, perfect for entry-level systems. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to power output, the Segotep GN-650 stands out with its 650 watts, providing ample headroom for mid to high-range gaming setups. This higher wattage allows users to connect multiple high-performance components without worrying about power shortages. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN offers a lower output of 550 watts, which is suitable for basic gaming and productivity tasks, but may limit future upgrades, especially for high-end graphics cards. Therefore, if you plan to build a powerful gaming rig, the Segotep GN-650 is the better choice. Efficiency is another critical factor when choosing a power supply. The Segotep GN-650 boasts an 80 PLUS Gold certification, ensuring that it operates at a high efficiency level, which translates to less wasted energy and lower heat generation. This not only helps in reducing electricity bills, but also contributes to a cooler system overall. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN carries an 80 PLS bronze certification, which, while still reliable, is less efficient than gold. This means it may consume more power and generate more heat under load, making the Segotep a more energy-efficient option. Finally, let's talk about price. The Segotep GN-650 is priced at $99, which reflects its higher wattage and efficiency rating. While this may seem steep for a non-modular unit, it offers great value for those who need a reliable power supply for demanding systems. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN is much more budget-friendly at $64.99, making it an attractive option for entry-level builds. However, potential buyers should consider whether the lower price justifies the trade-offs in power and efficiency. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the Segotep GN-650 and MSI MAG A550BN have their strengths and weaknesses. The Segotep GN-650 is ideal for users who prioritize efficiency and power, while the MSI MAG A550BN is perfect for those on a tighter budget looking for a reliable power supply for basic tasks. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.